Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change tie rod ends on this 2008 Ford Escape. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First thing you do, crack loose your lug nuts, raise your vehicle, take your wheel off. Then we need to get in here and crack this nut right here loose. I'm using a 15/16 wrench. Now we're going to remove this nut right here. I'm using an 18mm for mine. Yours might be different. It might also have like a castle nut with a pin through there that you need to remove. You'll have to remove the pin before you can turn the nut out. Now that we've got that nut off, we need to pop this out of the socket right here, or the knuckle. So there's a couple ways you can do that. You can just try beating on it with a hammer, or they make this thing called a pickle fork. And you'd stick that right in there and then pound on the end of it, and that wedge shape right there pops it up for you. I'll have Amazon links in the description below where you can get a new tie rod end or a pickle fork. I'm also an Advanced Auto Parts affiliate, so I'll have a link down there you can order online and pick up in the store. Now that you've got that popped loose, you can twist this off. You might need to set a wrench or vice grips on here and then twist this off. Now what I do is I line these up, the old one and the new one, and see if they're the same length. If they are, then you can just screw it right back on there and bolt it back down, and your alignment shouldn't be affected. You might still want to check it though. In my case, my new one's a little bit shorter, so I'm going to need to realign the wheels to make sure that my tire isn't pointed out and wearing the inside of the tire out, or vice versa, pointed in and rubbing the outside of the tire. After you do this, maybe you just want to go get an alignment done. But if your new one has a grease zerk, you'll need to screw in the grease zerk here. This is what I was talking about earlier with if you're you have like a castle style nut here with a pin that goes through there. You can see the hole that that pin would go through. You'd have to take that pin out first. So but at this point, you're just putting things back together the way you took them apart and do that alignment. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching.